Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Log and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to add music to Instagram post. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your home page appears. At the bottom, you can find different icons. Tap on this plus icon. Now from here, you can easily select picture or video that you want to post. Here, I'm gonna select this one picture. After you select the picture or video, tap on next given at the top right corner. Now from here you can add some filters or edit it. After you are done, tap on next. Over here you will get this option of add music, tap on it. Now from here you can select any of the song of your choice. Likewise you will get this option of browse, tap on it. Under browse you will get different sections. You can choose any of these songs. Likewise at the top you will get this search bar. Here you can type the name of the song that you want to add. Here I have chose this one song. Now here you will get this kind of icon. You can just swipe on right and left and select particular part of the lyrics of the song. Also you will get this option of choose clip duration. You can set it up to 90 seconds. After you choose the clip duration, tap on done. Now at the top right corner you can see this option of done, tap on it. Tap on share. In this way you can easily add music to your Instagram post. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.